All right, so in this problem, Zane ate 5 hamburgers before he arrived at a cookout, and then he ate an average. Then he ate an average of 2 hamburgers every 3 minutes. His sister, on the other hand, so his sister only ate 1 burger before. But after she arrived, I should leave some room, ate 1 burger before. And then after she arrived, she ate 3 more every 4 minutes. It wants to know after how many minutes will Zane have eaten at least? So at least as many. So Zane at least as many as his sister. Okay, so ultimately we're talking about the number of burgers they ate. So burgers. B is number of burgers. Now, number of burgers, 8. Not just the number of burgers. Number of burgers that they ate. That will depend on the number of minutes that have passed. Number of minutes that have passed. So the number of burgers for Zane that he ate, the number of burgers that he ate was at 5, and then it increased by 2 every 3 minutes. And his sister, on the other hand, the burgers that his sister ate were initially started at 1. And she ate 3 every 4 minutes. So it increased. So let's go ahead and represent the number of burgers Zane ate in terms of minutes, and represent the number of burgers his sister ate in terms of minutes. And we want to know when Zane will have eaten at least. So Zane at least. Zane more or equal. And don't forget that we could write this the other way around. 1 plus 3 over 4m. We could write that is less than or equal to 5 plus, I should write this a little, 5 plus 2 every 3m. All right, I'm just going to do one more, and then I'm going to I'm going to fill out the rest and leave them in the notes, but I don't want this video to take even longer. So we have Izzy and Annabelle each have a pool. So Annabelle has 20 gallons in the pool, and the pool leaks 2 every 7. I should leave room. Annabelle has 20 gallons, and the pool leaks 2 gallons every 7 minutes. And Izzy's pool, on the other hand, has 10 gallons, and she adds an additional 3 gallons every 7 minutes. So if we want to know when Izzy's pool, at least, have at most the same amount of water as Annabelle. So ultimately we're talking about the number of, the amount of water, right? And we measure water in gallons. So I'll put gallons of H2O, gallons of water in pool, or each pool. And that will ultimately depend on the number of minutes. Number of minutes. Okay, so we know that with Annabelle's, so the gallons of water in Annabelle's pool, they start off at 20, and it leaks, so it decreases by 2 every 7 minutes. And Izzy, on the other hand, so the gallons of water in Izzy's pool start off at 10 only, but she gains 3 every 7 minutes. So let's go ahead and represent this relationship it asks us to. I'm going to write this first. So 10 plus 3 over 7m. And it wants to know when Izzy's pool will have at most. Izzy will have at most. Izzy at most. So it wants that to be the amount, the very most. So it wants less. I want Izzy to be less. Where is Izzy? Izzy's here. It wants Izzy's to be less or equal. Let's go ahead and write this the other way around. 10 plus 3 over 7. I can write that a little better. Plus, I don't know why I'm writing all. Must be the angle. 3 over 7 m. So 10 plus 3 over 7 m. And then I'll switch this sign and write 20 minus 2 over 7 m. All right, like I said, I'll fill out the notes. I'm going to stop here in the video, but I'm going to fill out the notes, and those will be, those will be the notes. Like the finished problems will be the notes. Thank you.